Hey, it's Ian, and today I have a quick and easy way to turn your standard wall outlets into a nightlight. And best of all, they come in a 4-pack. This is the automatic wall outlet nightlights. Now these will work with any standard duplex outlets, and they're super easy to install. Just shut off the breaker to the outlet and remove the old wall plate. Then just snap it on and use the color coordinated screw and you're ready to go. Now we've sold a similar model like this before, but this one has been upgraded, giving you double the light, which means you have 6 LEDs on each outlet. Now best of all, you don't have to worry about turning this on or off because this has an automatic light sensor, so it'll turn on automatically at night and off in the morning. Now this is perfect for any room in the house, whether it be your bedroom, the garage, and even the hallway. With this, you'll no longer be stumbling around in the dark. Now one thing I want to point out is that while these will work with your standard outlets, they are not compatible with GFCI outlets. Now these are super popular. You might have even seen the TV commercial where they sell one for $20. Well, guess what? With us, you'll get 4 of those for even less than that. So head on over to the site to see your special deal today.